Hi friends, we are given to find out root of x square plus x plus tan square alpha by root of x square x plus x. And this is always greater than or equal to. What does that mean? We have to find the minimum value of this. Right. Minimum value of two numbers, a and b. A and b arithmetic mean of two numbers is always greater than or equal to geometric mean when both numbers are positive. In this case, root of x square plus x will anyway be positive because root is not, because we are dealing with real numbers, and alpha lies between 0 and pi by 2. What does that mean? Tan square alpha is also positive, right? And tan square alpha is defined because pi by 2 is not included, right? Now let us just apply am greater than or equal to gm formula. Right. So let's say if this is A and root, this part is A and this part is B, then A plus B by 2 is always greater than or equal to under root AB. Right. AM greater than or equal to GM formula. Right. What does that mean? This root of x square plus x and root of x square plus x, these two will cancel, and root of tan square alpha, which is tan alpha, and that means this by 2 is greater than or equal to tan alpha. That means root of x square plus x plus this one tan square alpha by root of x square plus x should be greater than or equal to 2 tan alpha. That is what that is needed. Right. It's a very simple and straightforward problem. Just that it's made to look ugly, but it's actually very simple problem. Just that we need to be careful that tan square alpha is anyway positive here and it is defined. Right. Now, am greater than or equal to gm. How do we know this? Very simple, root a minus b whole square. Something whole square of something is always greater than or equal to 0. 0 when both are equal. Right. So this, if you expand, a plus b minus 2 root ab is greater than or equal to 0. That means a plus b is greater than or equal to 2 root ab. That means a plus b by 2 is greater than or equal to root ab. Equality when a and b are same. Right. Then this becomes 2a by 2, which is a. Here also root of a square, which is a. Right. Very simple. But here we need to be careful that a, b are positive. Otherwise, it becomes root of some negative number, which is not defined. Right. Right, guys. So in this case also, these are positive numbers. That's why we can happily apply am greater than or equal to gm formula. Right, guys. Thank you.